How can I reset my WPS PIN if I have forgotten it?
Hello viewers, today we are going to learn a crucial but straightforward procedure: how to reset your WPS PIN if you have forgotten it. This guide will help you regain access to your network and continue enjoying the benefits of wireless connectivity.
What is a WPS PIN?
WPS stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It is a feature that simplifies the process of connecting devices to your network without having to type in a long, complicated password. The WPS PIN is a unique 8-digit number assigned to each device that can be used to connect it to your network. But what happens if you forget it?
Locating the WPS button on your router.
The first step to reset your WPS PIN is to locate the WPS button on your router. The location of the button may vary, but it's typically found at the back or the side of the router. It's often marked with a label or a symbol resembling two curved arrows in a circle.
Resetting the router.
Before proceeding, it's essential to note that resetting the router will restore all of its settings to the factory default, including your network name, SSID, and password. You might need to reconfigure these settings later. 1. Turn off your router by unplugging it from the power source. 2. Locate the reset button on the router. It's typically a small, recessed button that can't be pressed by accident. You might need a pin or a thin pointed object to press it. 3. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. 4. Release the reset button, then turn on the router by plugging it back into the power source. Your router is now reset to factory settings.
Setting up a new WPS PIN.
After resetting your router, it's time to set up a new WPS PIN. Here are the steps. 1. Access the router's settings by entering the router's IP address in your web browser. The IP address can be found in the router's manual or at the bottom of the router itself. 2. Enter the default username and password to log in. These details can also be found in the router's manual or at the bottom of the router. 3. Go to the wireless settings and then navigate to the WPS section. 4. In the WPS section, there should be an option to generate a new WPS PIN. Click on this button, and your new WPS PIN will be displayed. Resetting your WPS PIN can seem intimidating, but with this step-by-step guide, you should be able to do it yourself without any hassle. Remember to always keep your WPS PIN and other network details secure to prevent unauthorized access. We hope this guide has been helpful, and you can now enjoy uninterrupted Wi-Fi connectivity.